Hello, friends. This is Mandar Khasnis. I'm working as an associate professor in the Department of Mathematics, CHM College, that is at Ulhasnagar. I have attended MTTS level 2 along with Vikram, in fact, and that was real fun that we had together. In fact, Professor Kumresan sir has insisted and asked us to apply for this MTTS, and unfortunately, earlier I was not even aware that such activity is happening. So that was a quite unfortunate part of me that I could not attend O and 1 level of MTTS. But then also, anyways, I really enjoyed the second level of MTTS during my MSc Part 1 completion and Part 2 beginning. So in that span, I could get a chance to attend MTTS level 2.
So hi everyone, my name is Vikram Aitar. I'm currently not with any particular institute. I am currently a visiting faculty at the Institute of I've attended all 3 levels of MTTS. Level O in 2000, Level 1 in 2001 and Level 2 along with Mandar in 2002. And all my MTTS experience has always been a lot of fun. This is the picture I was showing. We had taken a day trip to Ooty. Again, you can see Kumresan sir is there, Santanam sir is there, Jayantan is also there. Difference is everyone has black hair. And it was a big group because RI Mysore had was a common center. So it was a very big group. So even this is what our post session discussions look like. And this is all level O, 1 and 2. And actually that was the fun part. Level 2 people used to give us problems. We could ask them questions. We could discuss with anybody. They would tell us what they were doing in their class. So yeah, it was a lot of fun. Yeah, sometimes he would not even say. He would just turn back. And that meant that you had to ask a question. What we cannot capture, we will never be able to capture is that look in his eyes.
Right.
He would just turn around and he would look at you. And sometimes sometimes he would actually have that expression, are you going to let him say that? Are you going to let him continue? Shouldn't you ask a question right now?
Right.
Yeah. And the thing is, I tried many things. I tried sitting right behind him so that if he turned around, he would not see me. First of all, I'm very happy to see that there is a maths club of MTTS alumni. And I am also very happy to see that these young students are not just showing enthusiasm, but have also taken a lot of responsibility on themselves to organize lectures of this kind. So, yes, I thank Karili for this invitation. So I'm going to give an introduction to plane geometries. So this is just going to be a light introduction. It is based on Professor Kumresan's expository article of the same title. So the idea is that we have all studied geometry. We've all studied geometry from a long time. So the idea of this lecture is to just sort of bring out some salient features of the geometry that we have studied and how it generalizes to different aspects of geometry that we usually don't get to see in a master's course. So there are many different things you can do just by understanding what it means what this phrase plane geometry, what this term it means. So the point of this lecture is to explain this idea to students.
So I'm really thankful to this Curry Leaf Math Club who has approached me, and in fact, I'm happy to see their enthusiasm, and even I am sure that I'll be enjoying delivering this lecture. I'll be basically talking on about the interesting lemma, rising sun lemma, and it is like behind every theorem there is a nice lemma that supports and helps. So we'll also see the corresponding theorem as well, the theorem which takes help of this lemma. To say something about this lemma, it's like to understand the statement and even the proof, it doesn't require any great sophisticated tools as such. We'll be basically using all undergraduate results and concepts, definitions, I can say, to play with the proof, and then, as I said, its use, where it has been used actually, that I would like to explain a bit of it. So this is the overall structure of the session that I would like to conduct, and I'm sure you all will be enjoying this. Thank you.